What is up, my YouTube and my people? It's your boy AJ from Motorsport. Here giving you the full, complete update of the bike. She is actually done. As you see, different color. Leave your likes, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about the bike. And one thing I want you guys to keep in mind: use your creative side. Your mind is powerful. Use your mind and put it to use creatively. Alright, it's your boy AJ from Motorsport signing out. May God bless you all. Stay safe. Use your creative mind, positivity all the time. Bike life for life, man. It's your boy AJ signing out. Peace.